Hello Unique Squad, we're doing a tour of a one-bedroom house, two one-bedrooms house at Sovereign Heights in Juja. We'll start with the first one, which is on the third floor. Yeah, standing at the door of the one bedroom with an open kitchen at Sovereign Heights. So as you get into the door, the first room you get to on your right is the bedroom. Yeah, it's the first room is a bedroom, and that is how it looks. Spacious, well lighted with the big window, so spacious. Yes, that can accommodate quite a big bed, a 6x6, and the closet as well is big and is sufficient for all the necessities one will have. Yeah, as you can see, the closet is spacious. You have somewhere to hang your clothes, where you can put your shoes, where you can put your bags and everything. That is the bedroom of that one bedroom house. Spacious and well done closets, and the interior well done as well. Yes, that's how it looks, the bedroom. Then from there on your left, you'll go to the laundry area, where you have a sink. You can actually do your laundry from there, because there's a you can see that white something which drains your water. Yeah, so you can do your laundry there. The sink is well done, new, perfect. They are yet to connect water because it's about to be completed in a week's time. And there is the bathroom. The only pending thing there is the connection of the showers. The taps are all ready. Actually, they're doing the finishing work this week. Then next week, people can start moving in. Then there is the toilet there with the very and well done modern toilet. The only thing that is missing here is water connection as well, and the light, but the wiring is all done. So it's finishing work they're doing actually. So from there you go to the living room. That is the living room. Very spacious. If you had watched the two bedroom house video, this living room is more spacious than that one. So it's so spacious, and the good thing, it's on the just next to the road, so the lighting is naturally coming from outside, with a small balcony and a very huge open kitchen. That kitchen is huge, so huge than the one for the two bedrooms. I love this house. This particular one I fell in love with, because the kitchen is so spacious with enough storages. You can see storages. The sink, the worktop is as well so big, and the lighting is great because it's an open kitchen, so it has the advantage of getting the lighting from the living room window and as well the kitchen window. And the fact that there are no flats on the sides there, and they'll not come up because it's just near the road. It's next to thicker road there. That is the super highway in Juja. The building name is Sovereign Heights. Look at those drawers, very spacious. Storage is perfect. You can't miss this. As in, it's a perfect one, and it's only going for Kenya shillings 18,000. 18,000 with this all space. Yeah, this one even can do a family. Yeah, and organize how to yeah, you go to the balcony. That is the balcony with a very perfect view. When you're bored and all that, you can come there and just watch from there. That is the super highway, the Thika super highway. Surrounding is perfect. Wherever you are looking for a house, this is a perfect one bedroom for you. You'll be doing a tour of a second one bedroom in a few, which is at the rooftop. It's also a perfect one. So this is in the third floor of this building, Sovereign Heights. So let's see the second one bedroom. Stay tuned. So we are at the rooftop. This is the second one bedroom at the rooftop. This is the living room. Very spacious as well for a one bedroom, with well lit windows, natural light coming in, so spacious, as in the window is big enough, and it's at the rooftop, so you are assured of lighting The sockets are well placed and all that, and as well it has an open kitchen, very spacious as well. You can see it from this far. That is the kitchen. We're going there in a minute. That is the kitchen, the open kitchen. Enough space for your cooker, enough space for your fridge, sufficient working top in the kitchen, and enough light from the window. Storage is perfect as well. As you can see, it's a perfect storage for you. You're able to fit everything you need, and it's not just those ones, it has cabinet as well. It has top cabinets as well. Both one bedroom have perfect, well done cabinets, as you can see up there, allowing in enough space for your foodstuffs and utensils. And from there we go to the bathroom. There is a sink, well fitted sink, and with good lighting as well. And then that is the combined bathroom and toilet. This one is a combined one, yet to be clean yet, but it's because it's a new building. They haven't finished connecting the showers and the light, but all the other things are connected. This one they're doing by the end of this week, and from next week you'll be able to move in. That is how spacious. It's combined bathroom and toilet, but very spacious. Then go to the last room. That is a bedroom of this one bedroom. Good lighting from the window, as you can see. So big, so allows in natural light, so you don't have to keep on using electricity during the day and all that. And then the closet as well, sufficient for you. All the one bedroom closets are the same, as you can see. And you remember the one you saw, the one that was in the third floor, they are all the same size, sufficient for everyone. And sockets and switches, all well done. So stay tuned for many more house tours. But if you're looking for one bedroom house, this is the place to be. Going for 18,000 at Sovereign Heights in Juja town. 5 minutes to the stage. It's just 5 minutes to Super Metro stage to town. You can't miss out this, and you can't miss out the amazing rooftop. Just stay tuned and check out this rooftop, where you're able to do a lot of stuff. Also, for those who are staying on this one bedroom at the rooftop, you have enough space. Even if you have kids, you have places where they can play, as in you can do your stuff outside here. Look at that. You have places to air your clothes and all that. That is it. Perfect view of the surrounding, the entire of Juja town, the K Road, and all that. It's a perfect view. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you.